Hello Gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am working in my Grow with Grace binder, which is just long-term saving challenges that I am saving for. I have $100 in prop money, and we have our first saving challenge here. This is created by myself. You can find this in my Etsy or in my Kofi. This is saving for taxes, save $2,026 in 2026. So let's get started. Oh, first of all, I want to thank you for wishing me a happy birthday. Thank you for all the birthday wishes. I appreciate it. So we are going to roll our color die here. And we have red. Okay, and what I'm doing, I'm rolling a D20 and a D10 because the most here is $30. Let's see, and we got 14 and 8, and that is $22, I believe. So so let me go ahead and save 21 and 2. So let's see if we got 22 in here. Yes, we do. That's perfect. I'm just gonna color this red. And I think I'm gonna roll again. So let's roll again. Let's see what color we going to. Oh, red again. And we are only gonna do, I'm just gonna roll the D10 and 1. We don't have a 1, child. Let's do that again. So let's do another color. Let's see. Pink. Perfect. And color, how much? $6. 6 right there. Perfect. Something cute. All right, 5 and 6. So we are putting 10, 25, 6, 7, 8, $28. Not too bad. All right. Next, we are going to vacation. And this is created by Mint Dough. Save $1,200. And I am rolling a D20. And we got 14. We got a 14 right there. So let's go ahead and move this over some. So 14. Perfect. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And so the adventure begins. All right. Next we got this challenge here is saving for my son's senior year, which he graduates this year. And this is created by Lemon Ivy Budgets. And let me see, this is $150. Let's see, which one we're going to scratch for. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's a 9. Not too bad, not too bad. Then we're going to stop there. Let me see, do I got $1? I don't. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. All right, next we got month ahead. That's Miss Georgette. And this book is created by Snowgarner 307, The Life of a Pig Who Wants to Save But Loves to Spend. That is so me. Let's see. 3. 1, 2, 3. And this says $40. All right, that's a 2. All right, let's go again. 1, 2. Oh, 1, 2. And that is a 7. That's $9. And I want to go one more time. Oh, these scratches. 1. Let's go down here. Okay, perfect. So perfect $10. Okay, I can't. Those scratches just hurts me ears. So $10 is going into Miss Georgette. Gold is my favorite color. And like I said, that is for a month ahead. Next, we got emergency fund, which is this book here, The Giant Ant Savings, created by Budgeting Introvert, says $1,200 plus. And let me see. We are going to put an ant down. Each ant is, or ant bug is $8. So let's go, all right. Ooh, no. So up here, $8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. I kind of want to do another page too. Let's do this page. This page saves $73. What this page saves? $96. So these amounts 3, 5, and 7. Perfect. 3. 1, 2, 3. Why did I go straight down? I don't know. Ooh, it's a strawberry. And that is $5. Should I do another one? No, we just stop right there. $5. Okay. So it should be 13, 5, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, $13 for emergency funds. It's no rush to finish this, so we can just take our time. And this is just so stinking cute. Yes. Love it. Next, we got the most basic saving challenge book. And this is created by Beautifully Me and You here on YouTube, Miss Elisa. And it says 15K. You can find this on Amazon. And this is, I'm just saving this. And this is going to go wherever it is needed. So these are amounts 1 through 8. So let me get my D8. And we're just going to save a few. And this page here totals $100. So we got a 5. So let's do this 5 here. I just love this. So that's $5. We're gonna go again. 6. Let's do a 6 down here. So yeah, this, I'm treating this like as a buffer, rainy day funds, whatever it is needed. I just want to save it. So 6, I go one more time. 5, 6. Yeah, let's go one more time. 4. Let's do a different color. Let's do, yeah, let's do this color. 4, let's do this row. trying to stay in the lines. And I'm just using highlighters. So you can use crayons, color pencils, whatever you want to. Just have some fun with the most basic challenge. So that is $10 we put in here, right? 8. No, did we do this one? No, what did we do? Oh my goodness. I don't even remember what numbers I did. I know these 10. Didn't I do 3 numbers? Cause yeah, oh yeah, we got $15. Oh yeah, there's 5. So 10, 5, yeah. $15. All right, I was losing it there. So look at that, almost $100. Yeah. All right, so we still got a couple dollars left. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. We got $11 left. Oops, let's put this money into the most basic challenge. Let's go to the graduation one. Because this one's a pretty penny. Let's see. 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wow, that's 15. I don't think I have 15. Ooh, we gotta have an IOU. Oh, Lordy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $11. We got an IOU, gems. And do I have IOUs in here? Let me see. So, what I grab? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. $4 IOU. Oopsie. Hold on, let me get my IOU out of here. We got these cute little gummy bears. And let's put $4. Hopefully I remember. And let's put that in front of... Can you guys see that? I'm probably not in the frame. I was gonna say, hopefully I'm filming. Because I had to put you guys on the charger. Because my phone was going dead. What should I do so I can remember this? Ugh. I don't know. Hopefully I remember. $4 IOU. Oh, I just love my Grow with Grace. Yes, give yourself some grace when you are making budgeting and saving for long term, short term. Give yourself some grace. All right, gems. That is it for this video. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And also, don't forget to check out my Kofi for some freebies there. And that's just my way to show a thank you for you guys, for your support and everything. So, yeah, go check out my Kofi. The link is always down below. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.